Okay, so I told you that this subject is too big for one module. So in this module, we're going to continue to learn about how we gain access by doing some more Kraken. In this module, we'll continue to release the Kraken. Should I give up on the joke? Is it done? We'll go through and take a look at NTLM authentication. This authentication mechanism, believe it or not, is still used today. And a lot of you may be saying, no, Dale, we don't use NTLM authentication. We're using Kerberos. Guess what? There are some specific situations where Kerberos can't be used, and the default is to roll back to NTLM. So we need to make sure we understand how NTLM authentication works, as well as how Kerberos authentication works. Understanding these two authentication mechanisms help us to understand when passwords are utilized and when they're not, or at least when they're transmitted. Then we'll go through and take a look at salting. No, I didn't say assaulting as in an attack, but salting is where we take those hashes that we talked about in the previous module and we add some characters to the end of it so that the hash values aren't the same for the same passwords. Then we'll go through and take a look at rainbow tables and other options. I know you all want me to break out in a Judy Garland rendition of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It's not happening. Now, rainbow tables speed up the cracking time, and there's also some other tables. There's reverse lookup tables. There's also just standard tables that we can use to compare the hash to see if we can figure out what the password is. Now, if you did not watch the previous module, you have to go back and watch it so you understand this continuation of Kraken passwords. So let's get cracking.